Hey there, sleepyhead. Good morning.
Oh, hey, good morning, sleepyhead. You want snuggles? Mm-hmm. Hi, sweet boy. There you go. Love you too.
Hey, Busy here. Just a minute. Oh, okay. You win. Proud of yourself? Come on, front row seat. There you go. Cozy now?
Hey, buddy. Oh, here comes someone else. You're not going to miss out, huh? All right, there's room for both. There we go. 2 purr motors at once. Happy now?
All right, here you go. Okay, how about this? That's better, huh? Hey!
Let's see what you think of this. Oh, too cold? Sorry, buddy. You can come back if you want. It's just water.
You two are such little wrestlers today. Easy, be gentle. Oh, look at that hug. Sweetest troublemakers ever. Hey, Muffin. Hungry again? We just had dinner. I know. You can't climb. Your nails are short. Come here. There you go.
Oh, buddy, you're stuck again? Hang on, let me help you. Hold still. Okay, little push. Gotcha. There we go. You're getting a bigger door tomorrow.
It's right there, big guy. You just got to roll over.